Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about Sibongile and the Dlamini's season 2 episode 5. Now this episode guys begins with the scene of uPhetheni is at the hospital where uNomfundo is at, and she basically tells uNomfundo that, listen, your secret is out. Like, I know basically that you have a son who is basically the same age as my sons with my husband. Guys, that scene was so painful because we see uPhetheni uphelelwe amandla, guys. She doesn't have energy. She doesn't, like, you know when you're so hurt, guys, that you can't even be angry. That's how uPhetheni is. Like, I expected ukuthi she was going to be angry, but she is just like, you could see like she's so hurt, you guys, and she's asking uNomfundo, why did you betray me? Wuti, like, where did this all start? And you can see like the hurt in her. Like, there's even a time where she ends up crying, you guys. And she's like, why did you, like, was it that I was not paying you enough? Bongahlalanga kahle? Like, what was the issue? If I never did anything wrong to you, why did you betray me? Ebo ekhala uPhetheni. I felt sorry for her for a minute. Then I remembered, yay, this is the very same Phetheni. Phela no Phetheni, guys, she has her own secrets in the Dlamini household, which sooner or later they are gonna come out. Nomfundo as well, she cries because, I mean, these women, you guys, uNomfundo has worked for uPhetheni for a long time, and uNomfundo was directly like working for uPhetheni, unlike the other ladies who were maybe taking care of the rest of the other family or taking care of the children. She was basically uPhetheni's right hand woman. Yo guys, so just seeing the scene of them two just crying there, like, it just broke my heart because I know there was no sisterhood, but it just, yeah, like, guys, it was really painful. But anyway, it is what it is. Nomfundo says she's sorry, and uPhetheni also says she's sorry. So I don't know uPhetheni mega city she's sorry. What does she mean? Is she gonna let go uNomfundo, or what she's gonna do? So when Phetheni leaves, guys, uNomfundo's son uThemba comes and visits her at the hospital, and he basically tells his mother ukuthi ma abangifuni. Like, they don't want him in the Dlamini household. We all know ukuthi uWenzeni and uVusi, with their bad hearts, are basically treating uThemba kabi, as if uThemba it's his fault. But something that I didn't get, number one, uThemba mega figure esibhedlela, uNomfundo does not even ask or act surprised ukuthi, like, why, like, she doesn't ask ukuthi what led to Abu Malume, like, for them to bring you kwaDlamini, like, what happened? So I'm now asking myself, was this all a planned thing to bring out this whole secret? Because I don't even get to why uNomfundo did not even ask about any of that. So I'm asking, did Nomfundo plan this? On top of that, okay, I'll get that. I'll get to that in a minute. But uNomfundo basically says to uThemba, I will show them who they shouldn't want. She says, I will show them I will show them who they wouldn't want. So it looks like uNomfundo is going to fight for her son to stay in the Dlamini household, because the fact is he is a Dlamini as well. So he's, as much as he's, I don't want to say he's entitled, because I mean the house and the hard work is both uPhetheni and uNjengaye's hard work. It's not only uNjengaye's hard work, but it looks like uNomfundo is going to fight that uThemba stays in the household. So ke uNomfundo afonele ubani indoda yakhe. She calls uNjengayo to tell uNjengayo ukuthi hayibo, mina ngizwe ukuthi my boy is not akahlalanga kahle in your home and whatnot. uNjengaye is not even angry about anything. He's just happy ukuthi isithandwa sakhe is found and that isithandwa sakhe is getting okay. uNjengaye is basically assuring uNomfundo ukuthi no, like, uThemba, he's fine, he's gonna be fine and all of that. I'm just like, hey, uNjengaye. Njengaye is not even like, he's not even mad of the fact that uNomfundo's uncles brought the child. Like, he's basically promising uNomfundo that the child's gonna be that Utemba's gonna be well taken care of. And I'm like, this is gonna be an interesting dynamic, you guys, because it looks like in this season, Unjengayo is he's gonna fight for uNomfundo. So it seems. And then, guys, we see Upeteni in the Dlamini household. She is there and she is speaking to Uvusi. And she tells Uvusi that she won't be fine as long as Utemba is still in the house. And she basically, yeah, says ukuthi she wants Temba gone out of the house. And Vusi says he will deal with it. Now, guys, says Alama Pringake. We are gonna see Uvusi basically planning on, I don't know how is he gonna get Utemba out of the house, but that's gonna be a difficult thing because remember Unjengai already is promising uNomfundo ukuthi Utemba is gonna be treated well within this household. Now Upeteni, the way she's busy ubandagela Uvusi with everything, she doesn't know at this point that Uvusi knew all along about the affair between his father and uNomfundo. So that's that, you guys. So we'll see what's going on with that. Then another scene that we see in this episode is that Usbongile opened up to a roommate, Uzama, that listen, that her heart is betraying her and she feels like she's trying to get over Ukwenzo, but her mind, it just can't get Ukwenzo out of her mind or out of her heart. And I'm just like, yo, this thing, yeah, Sibongile no Kwenzo irritates me so much because Uzama umchazela ukuthi girl, Ukwenzo is married now. He's married, the wife has a child, phuma kuloyo muntu, because this person is not going to bring you any stress. But it looks like Usbongile is not going to listen to Zama's advice because Usbongile, she's busy entertaining that feeling in her head that there's still something between her and Ukwenzo. And yes, there is still something between her and Ukwenzo, but listen, I don't even get it. Like that just like irritates me to the lost core. And then Vusi's wife tells uNomalanga ukuthi lalela ke sisi, uMosquito is back in our lives. And when they're speaking about Mosquito, they're obviously speaking about Usbongile. So yeah, she tells her that Sbongile is back in their lives, and uNomalanga obviously is not happy about that. While they're having that conversation, Vusi and Kwenzo walks into the room and they're basically chatting about this whole thing. Ujengaye, their father, kept this whole secret from them for such a long time. And then get uNomalanga, Vusi, actually, like, a relationship that is full of lies will never like build a relationship, something like that. And Nomalanga sitting there knowing very well that she is building her marriage on lies. She started the foundation of her marriage on lies. And then Nomalanga turns to Gwenzo and asks him, will you forgive your father? And Gwenzo basically says, I don't know about now, but maybe eventually I will, but it's just difficult. I'm hurt right now. And then Gwenzo asks, why do you ask? And then Nomalanga's basically saying, no, I'm just asking so that I can see if I married a forgiving man or not. So it is clear that Nomalanga's trying to find out that if Uvusi if Gwenzo can forgive his father for this thing, Ushubuti, even if her lie someday comes which it will, he could also possibly forgive her for this. I don't know. I mean, that's a totally different thing. Like, obviously, your wife is not your blood, especially if she lied about something like that. Unjengaye is Gwenzo's father at the end of the day. You will have to forgive him. But basically, that's basically summing up this last episode, guys. Episode 5 of season 2. I am getting a feeling, guys, that from here onwards, the drama's gonna be on. I was not feeling season 2, but I'm starting to get a hang of it because I am interested to see how this whole dynamic of Uvusi fighting for his mother and Unjengayo fighting for his side chick. Basically, son against son all over again. Anyway, guys, tell me, what did you think of this latest episode? Please do make sure you like this video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.